Good evening students, welcome to my video class. Today I shall talk about Class 10 English, Book First Flight, Unit 6, The 100 Dresses, Part 2. In my previous video I talked about the 100 dresses part 1, and in continuation of the previous lesson, the 100 dresses part 2 reveals why Wanda Petronsky had not been coming to school. Because in the previous lesson we had seen that for the last 3 days she had not turned up to the school, she had not reported to the class. Even on the day of the announcement of results of the painting competition, she was not there. And all the girls and boys were eager to know why she was not coming. In this part, in this lesson, we shall come to know why Wanda had not been coming to school. The Petronsky family decided to move to a big city where no one would care about their unfamiliar name. On hearing the note, Maddie and Peggy got anxious as they realized that they would never get a chance for making amends for all the teasing they had done. Both the girls, relieved only on learning that Wanda liked them and had dedicated one of the 100 dresses, that means the drawings of those dresses, to each one of them. Now let's see the summary of the lesson. The lesson begins with all the students of room number 13 having a look at the wonderful drawings of Wanda Petronsky. Only then a note is received by Miss Mason from Wanda's father, informing that none of his 2 children will attend the school as they are moving to a big city where no one would judge them for their names. Miss Mason was left shocked and conveyed her disappointment to the class. Maddie was affected by this letter of Wanda's father. She instantly developed to urge to apologize to Wanda. Peggy and Maddie, the 2 best friends, rushed to Boggins Heights hoping that the family hadn't moved yet. But to their dismay, there was no sign of life in and around the house. Maddie lost her sleep thinking what a coward she is, who couldn't stand against wrong. That day she decided that she will never let anyone tease someone like that again. That weekend, Peggy and Maddie decided to write a letter to Wanda that was originally meant to be apologetic, but they ended up writing a friendly note asking her how did she like the new place. Weeks passed by and there was no reply until one day, near Christmas, Miss Mason announced that she heard from Wanda. In that letter, Wanda wrote she misses everyone and conveyed her intention of gifting 1 dress each to Maggie and Peggy because she has a whole new lot of 100 dresses lined up in her new house. Both of them were happy to receive it and later realized that it was their faces she had drawn along with the dresses. Thus they both concluded that Wanda did like them. So, in this part, the writer has stated how hatred can harm a child mentally, but love triumphs. In the end of second part, we could see that everything was well because love prevailed over hatred. And now the girls who hated Wanda had become friendly, and they were sorry over their own behavior. So students, this lesson teaches us not to hate anyone on his or her name, background, or even monetary status. Everyone is equal in this world, so we all should try to be friendly to everyone and love to all. So students, this is all for today. I hope very soon I shall again prepare another video lesson for you with a new lesson. Till then, thank you and have a nice time. Thank you.